Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reset chart to default in Robinhood. All right, so let's begin with the video. Here, how you can reset your chart to the default view on Robinhood Legend. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So we have this chart right here, and let's say we want to just completely reset this and have the default chart available. We have two options. We can either right-click on the chart and click on where it says Delete All Indicators. And that's going to remove all of these indicators that we currently have on our chart. But another option we can use to completely reset it is by going to the top right where the three dots are and clicking on where it says Delete Widget. Then we can go to the top right, click Add Widget, and then we need to add the chart widget right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once again, we have the default chart view right here, and it has absolutely no indicators or anything like that. It's just the complete default view. From here, we can do whatever we want. If we want to add new indicators, we can do that as well. So that's basically how you can reset chart to default in Robinhood. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.